Today's literature topic is the Browning version from the book Hornbill. This play is actually an extract from the play, the Browning version, written by Terence Rattigan. In this extract, we are introduced to four characters: Mr. Crocker Harris, Mr. Frank, Taplow, and Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris. Mr. Crocker Harris doesn't appear in the extract, but the entire plot revolves around him. The scene opens with Taplow present at the school at the end of the day to do some extra work for Mr. Crocker Harris when another teacher, Mr. Frank, arrives. Mr. Crocker Harris hasn't yet arrived. Frank and Taplow start talking. Mr. Frank learns from Taplow that he is there to do some extra work for Mr. Harris, and eventually the conversation turns into a kind of analysis of Mr. Crocker Harris's character. Mr. Frank learns that Mr. Harris is rather a strict teacher who doesn't reveal a student's result before the due date like other teachers, which shows that he goes by the book. Mr. Frank is curious to learn why Taplow has to stay back to do extra work on the last day of the session, especially as the very next day he is to get his result. Is it an attempt to please Mr. Crocker Harris to get a favorable result? Taplow says it is not so. Mr. Crocker Harris isn't like other teachers. Even if Taplow does extra work for Mr. Harris, he will get exactly what he deserves. These were the words by Mr. Harris himself. While explaining this, Taplow even imitates Mr. Crocker Harris's voice. Mr. Frank finds it amusing and even asks Taplow to do the mimicry again. As Mr. Crocker Harris still hasn't arrived, Mr. Frank encourages Taplow to just leave and go play golf, but Taplow is unwilling to do so. He says that Mr. Crocker Harris has never been disobeyed by students. This makes Mr. Frank envy Mr. Crocker Harris. So he asks Taplow whether Mr. Crocker Harris beats his students, to which Taplow answers that he is not a sadist. Sadist means someone who finds pleasure in giving pains to others. Frank adds that Mr. Crocker Harris basically doesn't have any feelings. He is shriveled up like a nut from the inside. He is a kind of person who doesn't like to be liked. Here he even calls Mr. Crocker Harris Croc, apparently which is a nickname given to him by his students. However, despite all this, it is revealed by him that he still likes that man. He adds that Mr. Crocker Harris understands that he likes him, and so he becomes colder in his approach to him. To please Mr. Crocker Harris, Taplow once laughed at a classic joke of Mr. Harris that was not understood by any of the students. Instead of getting pleased, Mr. Crocker Harris rather asked Taplow to explain the joke to the entire class, which he couldn't. While he is imitating how Mr. Crocker Harris spoke to him, Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris enters the scene and before long is seen by both Frank and Taplow. Millie is shown to be a woman who is rather more smartly dressed than an average schoolmaster's wife. This description of hers acts as a symbol of her being a woman who is not particularly pleased with her present state. Taplow is afraid that she may tell Mr. Crocker Harris all about this, but Frank brushes off that idea. Millie asks Taplow to go and bring some medicine for her from the chemist's shop to apparently give him some relief from his endless waiting. However, though it is not revealed in this extract, she actually is there to meet Frank secretly, with whom she has a secret extramarital affair. So what we learn from the story? We learn about a teacher who, despite being unlikable, is respected and liked by students. We learn how students are not only afraid of Mr. Crocker Harris, but also respectful towards him. Surprisingly, he doesn't punish his students to earn this respect. Despite being humorless and strict, he enjoys a great position in their hearts. Mr. Frank, on the other hand, despite being young, frank and likable, doesn't enjoy same amount of respect as Mr. Crocker Harris. This makes him envious, and he even encourages Tableau to do mimicry of Mr. Crocker Harris. This shows how insecure he feels, and this attitude also reveals his sense of inferiority. As for Tableau, he is shown to be a student who is balanced, has respect for his teachers, and is very much aware of his place. That's all for today. Thank you.